All right, financial math classes. We are continuing on with our discussion on installment loans. Last time we talked about down payments and using down payments to calculate an amount financed, so how much a loan is going to be. Today we're going to talk about how to calculate a monthly payment and the finance charge. So let's get into it. So back to installment loans. When you obtain an installment loan, you must pay finance charges for the use of the money. You repay the loan with equal monthly payments over a specified period of time. Part of each payment pays the interest on the loan's unpaid balance. The remaining part of the payment is used to reduce the balance of the loan principal. The amount of each monthly payment depends on the amount financed, the number of payments, and the annual percentage rate. The annual percentage rate, or APR, is an index showing the cost of borrowing money on a yearly basis, expressed as a percent. You will need to refer to the monthly payment on an installment loan of $100 table on page A13. So I'll provide that. That table is going to be provided for you for all your problems that you're going to be doing today. But let's just go ahead and get into an example. Blake and Jacqueline are purchasing a $1,399.99 side-by-side refrigerator with an installment loan that has an APR of 12%. So this APR here, that is the interest rate on the loan. All right, so when you hear people talk about APR, they're talking about interest rates on the loan. The store financing requires a 10% down payment and 12 monthly payments. So the 10% down payment, we did this last time using that to figure out. So we're going to go through a few things. We're going to talk about, or actually here, what is the finance charge? So what the question's asking. So before we figure out the finance charge, one, we need to figure out the amount of the loan. Two, we're going to figure out the monthly payments, how much the monthly payments are. And then you're going to figure out the total amount repaid. And then you're going to, and then the difference between the total amount that you're repaying and the loan amount, that's going to be the finance charge. So basically the interest on the loan is the finance charge. So that is what we're talking about here. So first thing, I'm going to just identify some of that important information. Starting off, we have the price. My board, there we go. The price is $1,399.99. The down payment we need to calculate. So the down payment is 10% of the price. So you need 10% as a decimal, that's 0.1 times 1399.99, and that comes out to 13.99. All right, so the amount financed, you need to take the selling price, which was $1399.99, minus the down payment of $13.99. So you $13.99.99 minus $13.99 is $1,386. So that is how much the loan is for. So next we need to find the monthly payment. So we're going to refer to the monthly payment on the installment loan of $100, or page A13. So first we're going to figure out the amount of the loan. That's the amount financed. These things are the same. Amount of the loan and amount financed are the same. So I'm going to do 1386 divided by 100 times the monthly payment for a $100 loan. So we need to use the APR. So what we're looking at, so annual percentage point, we have a 12% APR. And then we're going to also look at how many monthly payments. Terms a month is 12. And so we go where those columns meet. And so the monthly payment would be $888. So our monthly payment, we're going to do $1,386 divided by 100 times, I did the times 888 is 123.08. So we'll be paying $123.08 for the loan. So the next step, we take that, we're going to find the total amount that you're going to be paid. It's the number of payments. So if we go back, we're doing 12 payments times the monthly payment, which was 123.08. We multiply that out, we get $1,476.96 is how much repaying in total. Right? So the finance charge is the total amount repaid minus the amount financed. So the finance charge, the total amount repaid, is $1,476.96 minus $1,399. Oh no, that's not the amount financed. I gotta go back. It was the amount financed was the $1,386. So when we subtract those, we get $90.96. So you're paying a total of almost $100 more for the refrigerator for financing it instead of just buying all in cash. So this is one of the things that we talk about in our Ramsey videos. This is Dave Ramsey. This is one of those things why he recommends just paying things in cash, because you end up paying more when you finance. So let's look at another example. So we have Ann Nguyen would like an installment loan for $5,000. Her bank will loan her money at 12% for 18 months. Her insurance company will loan her money at 12% for 24 months. Which loan costs her less? So this is actually number 2 from your assignment today from the worksheet. So what we need to do, this is amount finance, $5,000, so we don't need to figure out a down payment or anything like that. So what we're going to do is just the second, we are doing this second part. Parts, actually, I should say part 2 and 3. All right. Figure out how much the loan is total. So for this first one, the 12% for 18 months. So I'm going to take my amount financed, divide it by 100, and then I'm going to multiply. I'm going to find 12% for 18 months. So 12%, 18 months, it's 610. You multiply those, so 5,000 divided by 100 times 610 comes out to 305. And then to figure out the total for the loan, I'm going to do it's 18 payments, so 18 times 305, and that comes out to 5,490. So now what I'm going to do is the 12% for 24 months. So I'm going to start off the same way, 12% for 24 months. I'll do this one in green. So actually I should have done that other one in green. I'll do this one in blue. So 5,000 divided by 100, and then I need times the monthly payment on a $100 loan. So I'm going to do 12% for 24 months. So 12% again, this time for 24 months. So it's $471. And that comes out to, so 5,000 divided by 100 times 471 is 235 and 50 cents. So now I need to figure out the total that we're going to be repaying. I'm going to do the 24 months times the monthly payment. And that comes out to 5,652. So which one ends up costing her less? That would be A. Paying off the loan in less time costs you less. All right, so same interest rate, but paying it off in less time. And that's because this is part of that compound interest. The longer you take to pay something off, the more interest it's going to accrue. So, yeah, finish up the worksheet for your assignment. Other than that, if you have questions, let me know. You can email me, and we'll see you guys next time.